Today we're going to make tequila lime chicken. I'm really excited about this. It's going to be fantastic. So we're going to season this chicken up with my favorite seasoning. It's Sazon and then some adobo. So we're going to put the chicken on the Pit Boss and we're going to smoke it for about an hour. And then while that's happening, I'm going to make this tequila lime salsa that is so fantastic. So stay with me. We're going to get these guys seasoned up. I've got some duck fat. We're going to spray them first. Make sure they have a good binder on them. Duck fat will make it nice and crispy. And okay, they're good to go. All right, so I have some dry seasoning. The main ingredients are this Sazon Tropical and this adobo. Other than that, I mixed some other things in there, and it will be on the description box, everything in there. But those are the two main ingredients. They're going to give it a really great flavor. All right, so I'm going to get these guys seasoned up. Oh, the adobo is a yellowy color, so it's going to give it a really nice color once it gets smoked in the smoker. So these guys are all seasoned up. You can see they're a beautiful color. They got a nice golden color to them. These two seasonings, the Sazon and the adobo, you can get at any grocery store. We're not getting paid to use these. We just like them. They taste really good. So that's why we're using them today. Okay? We're going to get these over to the Pit Boss and get them cooking. So we're using the Pit Boss. We have it at 200 degrees. There's cherry pellets in it. It's got a great smoke going on. So this is going to be so delicious. We're going to get these guys on the grill. All right, so we got those guys on there. We're gonna let them go about 45 minutes to an hour, and then we're gonna check them out. It's been an hour. As you can see, we've got lots of smoke. It's at 190. We're gonna turn this Pit Boss up to 350 and get that going here. All right, we're gonna get these guys flipped over. As you can see, they've got beautiful color. They're like this beautiful golden color. They're gorgeous. So we're going to flip them over. Get this guy flipped. All right, there we go. We're going to let them go while I make a tequila sauce, which is going to be delectable. We're going to make this tequila lime sauce. It's going to be delicious. So first I'm going to put in here, it's 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and this Peruvian sauce, right? Which is delicious. So we're going to get that in there. Get that going. Okay, sorry for my clanking. All right. Get that in there. Then we're going to add in, it's green onions, a red bell pepper, and a Cubanelle pepper. I don't know if I say that right, but we're going to, something like that. We're going to get that in there and get that going. I want these guys to get kind of soft and get all of their goodness out here. All right, so the peppers have simmered for about 3 minutes. We're going to add the other ingredients. So half a cup of tequila. And the tequila I like is an añejo tequila. I don't like the blanco or the respirado or however you say it. I just did 3 limes. So 3 limes I squeezed. It's a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And then a tablespoon of molasses. And I put duck fat in here so it wouldn't stick. So there's a little bit of duck fat too. We're going to let this simmer together. I don't know, maybe 5 minutes or so. And then it will be good to go. So we let this cook for about 5 minutes, and now I've let it cool for a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and move it over to this dish. And we're going to let it sit and cool down while the chicken finishes. And then we'll put it on top of the chicken. It smells so good. There we go. So this is super pretty. I love the way this looks. I wish you could smell it. It smells phenomenal. These guys have been on for about 30 minutes. I probed them a few minutes ago and they're at 154. So we're gonna flip them over so that we can finish them off. They smell so good. Look how pretty they are. I so wish you could smell these guys because they smell phenomenal. All right, we're gonna let these go for another 20 minutes or so. It's been 20 more minutes. The chicken is proven at like 165, 168. We're gonna get it off here and we're gonna get the tequila lime sauce on it. It's gonna be so delicious. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna get this chicken ready and then we're gonna do a taste test, which I'm really excited about. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this tequila lime sauce on the chicken. We're gonna just like kind of set it in the center. This stuff smells so good. It's delicious smelling. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this off with a little bit of green onion and then we're going to do a taste test, which I'm so excited about. So we're gonna do the taste test now. I'm super excited. I'm gonna have Jeff cut it because he's better at that than I am. There you go.
I like this better when you were doing all the work.
I know, you do, but guess what? You have to do a little bit.
I'm going to turn it around so folks can see
it. I want some of the thigh, because, you know, I'm a thigh person.
This is all about the breast today.
No, you're a breast guy, but I'm a thigh guy.
I don't know how to cut that. Boy, it smells great.
Oh, please cut it. I want it so bad.
How do you cut it?
You have to cut some of this.
Okay.
That's the better part. Look how juicy this is. So excited.
Well, I have to admit, yours is juicier than mine.
It's super juicy. Oh my gosh.
So I hope you guys can see that.
Super
I
juicy.
Zoomed in. It's really juicy. And there's your skin. Where's my fork at?
You probably have it in your pocket. I'm going to put a little bit more sauce on it.
Ta-da.
Yeah, you want some sauce on yours?
Nope.
Okay.
Wait a minute. You got to wait for me. What do you like?
Because I want to try it. I'm super excited.
It smells really good.
I know. You ready?
Yeah,
Cheers.
okay, I'm ready.
Oh my gosh. This is delicious. You have to try it. So good. Oh, am I supposed to say that about something I cooked myself?
This is your best recipe ever.
It's super good.
I get sweetness. What's the sweetness from?
Well, there's molasses and there's brown sugar. But you can taste the...
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
It's almost like a relish.
Yeah, it's so delicious. Okay, I gotta try the breast. All right.
She's coming around to my way.
No, it's just that I haven't tried it. I'm gonna put stuff on it. This sauce is so delicious. The tequila lime sauce is so good.
It is really good. And by the way, you know, some folks don't want to cook with alcohol. So what should they use if they don't want the tequila? By the way, I'm gonna lick on your thigh.
You can substitute the tequila with chicken broth or water if you don't want to use the tequila. It's up to you.
Finish this video off. They don't want to watch this anymore. This is excellent chicken.
You need to watch us eat. It's so good. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell.